Have you ever looked for that perfect suit? Those off the rack often don't fit. What about tailor-made? A perfect fit, of course, even with non-standard features. But that takes time and is expensive. Wouldn't it be great if you could get tailor-made quality, but as cheap and fast as mass-produced goods? This is exactly the challenge industry faces today. Customer needs are becoming more and more specialized. Product life cycles are getting shorter. At the same time, businesses have to compete in an increasingly global market. The solution, Industry 4.0. Humans and technology working together hand in hand to create intelligent production systems. Within these systems, all participants are constantly connected, sharing information and reconfiguring themselves in real time. This is achieved by fitting machines and components with small computers. Take this gear blank, which knows what it will eventually look like. It tells this to the machines and people responsible for production all by itself. This enables the optimal use of time and resources. The customer can follow the production process in real time. But what about the employees? There's no Industry 4.0 without people. They are and will remain the most important thing. This will obviously change the way we work. But to ensure a smooth transition, we all need to get on board. For behind every machine, you need somebody to set it up, monitor production, and configure the interaction between different machines. Industry 4.0 intelligent systems can be introduced step by step, no matter what you produce. In this way, a factory of today can gradually evolve into the factory of tomorrow, internationally competitive, offering secure jobs here in Baden-Württemberg.